Along with your electric bikes comes the user manual in a bag. Also included are the keys. Keys inserted on the right side of the bike just in front of the battery. Keys are foldable. Key also activates front and rear light. Seat adjustment is a twist handle. Tightens snugly. Once the keys are turned on, the display can be activated using the power button. Assist mode can be changed up with the plus button or down with the minus button. Display shows the battery power, which assist level you are on, the time of day, trip meter for how many miles you went, and the speed you're going. Push and hold both plus and minus button to activate either between miles or kilometers per hour. The power button will change functions. First function is top speed. Power button switches function, backlight function, higher lower, time function, hours, minutes. One more time, back to regular display.